I'm Lisa from Nashville, Tennessee, and I stay at home with my 2 children. I have androgenic alopecia. It was first discovered in my early 20s. I don't like my hair. I don't like to really show it. I'm really excited at the fact that I'll be able to wear hair 24/7, so I won't have to worry about taking it off and seeing my bio hair underneath. I'll just get to really feel beautiful all the time. All models.
I feel amazing, and this hair is, I never would have been able to achieve this with my own hair, and it makes me feel so confident and beautiful from the inside out, and I absolutely love it. Never worn the Topform topper before, so it's different than any piece I've ever had. Just worn synthetic in the past, so feeling this on my head is really amazing. The fibers are very soft, the fit is very comfortable. I can't even tell that I have anything stuck to my head right now. It feels amazing. I love it.
It's like a fairy tale, really.
The bonding process was very simple and very straightforward. I was comfortable the entire time, and the stylist that did my bonding, she walked me through each step. During the educator experience, it was encouraging to hear her talk about the reason why she does what she does, which is to help people with hair loss. And that's just such a personal thing, and very comforting to know that that's the real reason behind doing what they do when they're helping each of us. And it's very uplifting and encouraging. They're in it for the heart of it, and I absolutely will continue wearing hair replacement forever. There's no going back now.